It's loud, it's proud.
That's right, a festival full of people celebrating a day that I didn't really know much about. So my mission was clear. Enjoy the festivities and find out the history behind this day.
It's a gorgeous day, wanted to get out, celebrate.
Women's Day, my day.
Her day. Her day. Should be fun. We'll see what's, they have apparently 70 different wineries. All right, we're in. We got tickets. They sold out of the non-alcoholic tickets, so now we got alcohol tickets, but we can still order non-alcoholic drinks. We got music, a lot of people looking alive. We're looking for food because I have not had food all day. It's the first thing. We're getting food. Food.
Can you feel it? Gravity's taking over.
We got our burgers. And Mavis is gonna eat that bad boy in a bit.
Got me feeling like I'm upside down on the ceiling now.
Amen. Okay, had the food. This is holding me over a little bit. Now, here's the challenge, is there are 70 winemakers here, and I don't know where to start. I know a little bit about wine, but not that much. It's just gonna be a random game. So that's your tasting passport. We got our token. So we're gonna do a little packing. 10 seconds, that's the record for the day.
Okay. So please don't tear the bag up.
No tearing.
No tearing. And also beat the time.
Beat the time.
That's it.
Here we go.
Got them all.
Here we go.
Ready?
You can get them all at once. Okay, let me count from 3, 2, 1. There you go. Go for it, brother, go for it. We're going for 5 seconds. We're going for 5 seconds. We're going for 5 seconds. We're going, we're going. I don't see that bag. I don't see that bag.
Do I have to pack this too? Terrible. All right, that was terrible. That was abysmal. Let's just leave that one behind us. So it's Women's Day. My mission is to find out, because I don't know the history behind Women's Day in this country. So I will find that out while Mavis goes and gets another wine.
This is what I discovered, that women here are strong. And I'm not just saying that. This is something that I've observed since I've been here. So this particular holiday celebrates around 20,000 women of various races who in August 1956, August 9th, marched on the Union buildings in Pretoria to protest proposed amendments to the pass laws. This was a law requiring black people to carry a pass to enter areas designated for white people. Yeah, not okay. So it was a privilege for me to be able to celebrate this day to honor them and their actions. I simply love victory stories. Speaking of victory, we ended the day with some good music and good dancing.
Take me to the sky, I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine now. Na, 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 na. I got a good feeling. Na, 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 na. I got a good feeling, good feeling. You wanna know is how to hold on to it every moment.
All right, another fantastic event here. Events are on fire in South Africa.
So good.
Ah,
We
yeah,
are in
there we
South
go.
Africa.
Yeah.
It's
What-
a beautiful country.
Okay.
It is winter, but it's still very, very sunny. And
Yes.
we are wearing shorts in winter. Can you believe it?
There we go.
And-
We heard it first from South Africans. Beautiful country, beautiful weather, right, Mavis?
Yeah. Yep.
I never did get her name. Whoever you are, thank you. And if anyone ever sees me out with this camera, do the same thing. Jump in. That's the best part of this. Next up, another cold spell came through. But thanks to you guys, I had a list of tricks to try this time. You know, from the last time when I found out that winter was also indoors here. All right, see you in the next one.